Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Avalara for Sales Tax Exemption Certificates, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Avalara for Sales Tax Exemption Certificates, start by visiting the Avalara website. Locate the Authentication section on the home page. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. If you already have an account, enter your registered email and password. For new users, click on Create an account and fill in the required information. After completing the registration, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on the link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Avalara website and sign in. Navigate to the Exemption Certificates tab on your dashboard. Select Add New Certificate to begin the authentication process. Fill in the necessary details for the exemption certificate. Ensure you include the customer's information and the reason for the exemption. Once you have entered all required information, review it for accuracy. Click on Submit to create the exemption certificate. If there are any errors, follow the prompts to correct them. After submission, you will receive a confirmation notification. Your exemption certificate will now be authenticated and stored in your account. To verify its status, return to the Exemption Certificates tab. Click on the certificate to view its details. This ensures everything is in order for sales tax exemption. For further assistance, refer to Avalara's support resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.